What's up, you Homo sapiens? So today we are gonna talk about how can you improve your communication, because I heard you. I heard that some of you are actually going through this confusion how to communicate in a better way. Maybe you want to make some videos like this. Maybe you just want to have a better communication with the existing relationships that you have, or maybe you want to create more relationship, do more networking and all of that, and you don't know how to express the things that are going on in your mind. So let's clear out all of that in today's video. Let's get into it. To start it off, I have divided the whole process to be a good communicator into 4 levels. Level 1 is to be clear here. What are you exactly thinking over here? Because if you don't know, then you cannot tell it to someone else, right? So level 2 would be your close friends and your family, to talk to them more openly about the things that are going on in your mind, about them, about the relationship, or about the journal stuff. Because I have seen this, people don't talk about a lot of things to their close friends and family. They cannot just tell, they cannot just open up to them very easily. So that is the level 2. Level 3 would include you talking to the strangers, maybe throwing some DMs, maybe doing some stuff, but you talking to those strangers. And level 4 would be talking to a group of people, making videos like this, or maybe speaking in front of the public, like a public speaking thing, or maybe something else to a group of people. Maybe you want to lead a team in your university, something like that, right? So these are the 4 levels. But you know what? There is a level 0. You need 2 things to prepare your mind in order to start off the journey right. The journey to be a good communicator. Those 2 things are, one thing is the patience. You need a lot of patience. You need to understand that this process is a little bit longer. It's gonna take time. And the second thing that you need to have to start off the journey actually right, it's gonna be the practice. You're gonna practice a lot. Patience plus practice, and then you're gonna be a good communicator, right? So let's get right into the steps. All right, so level 1 would be to clear over your thoughts. So then the process that I was following to clear over the thoughts was journaling. So either you can actually start writing all of your thoughts, or either you can start recording in the audio version and then listen to it later on, or you can make some videos like this. Just start off the selfie camera and start speaking in front of it. So that way you will get to know how clear are your own thoughts, because unless you know yourself, unless you know the things that are going on in your mind. I was very confused, to be honest, but for me it was journaling. I was actually writing it down, so that worked for me. You can try it out, but there are multiple ways, as I have mentioned. So level 2 is talking to your friends and talking to your family members, because take it or not, we don't talk to our family or friends. At least in the people that I have observed, we don't talk very closely, we don't tell a lot of things. So one thing that you just keep in mind, you just need to keep in mind is actually the choosing of the right words. Because take it or not, when you're talking to close members, close group of the people that you are in, you need to choose the words carefully. Then comes the level 2, talking to strangers, right? Now when it comes to talking to strangers, you need to keep in mind that you are actually picking up the conversation with something in common. So just now I have seen one person sending a DM to a big billionaire, and he said it to him that I have seen this live of yours with one of the people that is in my connection. I would love to connect with you. I admire you. And that's how you build a small connection. You can just throw a DM right away to any person that you want to network in, right? So just throwing in the DMs and sending the conversation, or maybe talking to people in metro, as I was doing it. So just talking to strangers needs a lot of practice too, because you need to find the common points between you and them. This is the level 4, talking in public, maybe making a video like this, or maybe speaking on the stage, which honestly, I don't have a lot of experience right now, but I can make videos, I can express my thoughts. I have talked to my friends, now I talk to strangers, and now I can make videos about the thoughts that I have in my mind. So when are you gonna start off your journey? When? Start it today, as soon as possible. All right, I'm gonna summarize it in a very quick manner, very fast. So there is a level 0 where you need to prepare the mindset, you need patience, and you need a practice. Maybe because it's gonna take you a couple of months, maybe it's gonna take you a couple of years, depends on the practice that you're gonna do, right? And the level 1 is being clear over here. You can try journaling, you can try making videos, you can try recording audios, whatever works for you, right? Level 2 is talking to your friends and talking to your family, right? The level 3 is talking to strangers, maybe over the social media handles that you are on already, LinkedIn, Instagram, and anything else, or probably talking to strangers in real life. Maybe it's not possible right now, but you can try it out when everything gets normal. And level 4 is talking in public, making videos, talking to people on the stages and everything else. So that is something else. You need to start it off right and keep practicing. Keep knowing yourself again and again, because your thoughts can change, right? So start off your journey right, and let me know in the comments if this makes sense to you. See you in the next video. Take care.